Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert SmartArt in Microsoft Word and Google Doc. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word, and if we want to insert something, we need to go to the insert menu. And since we want to insert SmartArt, we can choose this one. And you can choose the type of the SmartArt graphic. For example, I'm going to choose cycle. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to insert the SmartArt in my document like this, and we can modify the SmartArt. I'm just going to replace it with a number like this to make the process faster. And if you want to change the color, just go to the change color and you can choose the color that you like. Okay, you can either choose the 3D one, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and now the SmartArt has been created. And how about the Google Doc? I'm going to go to my Google Doc, and when I go to the insert, like there is no SmartArt option here. We can only insert original chart like this, and we need to modify the chart. Okay, but don't worry guys, because we can still insert SmartArt here. If you want to insert SmartArt in Google Doc, you need to do it in the Microsoft Word. So make sure you have created the SmartArt here in Microsoft Word, and you can import the SmartArt to the Google Doc. We can go to the file and then go to open, and you can choose the document with SmartArt, or you can copy the SmartArt from the Microsoft Word to your Google Doc. Wait, let me copy this SmartArt, and I'm gonna go back to the Google Doc and we can paste it. Okay. However, guys, if you copy the SmartArt from Microsoft Word, it can't be edited here, so you need to finish your SmartArt in Microsoft Word. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.